The owner of this BMW M340 walked into the repair shop completely confused. The car had just over 62,000 miles on it. The engine was running perfectly. There wasn't a single warning light on the dashboard, and the B58 sounded just as smooth as the day he bought it. His only complaint was simple. Every 3 or 4 weeks, he had to add a little coolant. Not much, just enough that he started wondering where it was going. He checked under the car every morning before leaving for work. No puddles, no obvious leaks. The temperature gauge never moved past normal. The dealership couldn't immediately find anything wrong either. To most people, that sounds like a problem you can ignore. After all, if the engine isn't overheating and the car drives perfectly, how serious could a little coolant loss really be? The answer surprised even the owner. After putting the car on a lift and pressure testing the cooling system, the mechanic found coolant slowly escaping from a tiny plastic connector buried deep within the engine bay. It wasn't pouring out. It wasn't spraying everywhere. It was only leaking once the engine reached operating temperature. That tiny leak, left alone, would have eventually caused overheating and a repair bill that could have climbed well into the thousands. And here's the scary part. This isn't an isolated case. More and more BMW B58 owners are discovering that the engine itself isn't letting them down, it's the cooling system surrounding it. One of the biggest reasons people love the B58 is because it fixed so many problems that older BMW turbo engines were known for. Timing chain failures became far less common. Turbo reliability improved dramatically. Oil consumption dropped compared to some previous generations. Mechanics who once warned customers about owning turbocharged BMWs now regularly recommend B58-powered cars because the engine has earned their respect. But even the most reliable engine still depends on dozens of supporting components. Plastic coolant fittings, quick connect hose couplers, the expansion tank, electric water pump, thermostat housing, and the heat management module all work together every single time the engine starts. None of these parts grab attention on YouTube or automotive forums because they're not exciting. Nobody buys an M340 because they're impressed by its coolant hoses. Yet these ordinary components often determine whether ownership stays enjoyable or suddenly becomes very expensive. The problem begins with heat. Every time the B58 reaches operating temperature, coolant circulates through the engine, turbocharger, radiator, heater core, and several electronic control valves. Temperatures constantly rise and fall as you drive. Plastic expands when it's hot and contracts when it cools. Rubber seals flex under pressure thousands of times throughout the vehicle's life. After years of heat cycles, tiny imperfections begin forming where hoses connect, around plastic fittings, or inside the expansion tank itself. At first, these leaks are almost impossible to notice. Instead of dripping onto the ground, coolant often lands on hot engine components where it evaporates instantly. That's why so many owners never see anything under the car. The leak is real, it just disappears before anyone notices. One of the most common clues isn't something you see, it's something you smell. After parking the car in your garage, you may notice a faint sweet smell lingering around the front of the vehicle. Many owners assume it's normal because the car isn't overheating and no warning messages appear. Weeks later, they notice the coolant level sitting slightly below where it was during the last oil change. They top it off and forget about it. Another month passes. The coolant drops again. Instead of investigating, they assume modern BMWs simply consume a little coolant over time. They don't. Coolant is a sealed system. If the level keeps dropping, the coolant is going somewhere. This is where many expensive repairs begin. The cooling system continues functioning well enough that owners delay inspection. Meanwhile, coolant slowly finds its way onto electrical connectors, plastic covers, or aluminum engine components. Corrosion starts forming. Rubber hoses soften. The tiny leak grows larger. Eventually, one hot summer day or one long highway trip is enough to push the weakened component past its limit. Suddenly, the leak that was losing only a few drops each week becomes a complete failure. Coolant pressure disappears, temperatures climb rapidly, and the dashboard finally displays the warning that owners were hoping they'd never see. At that point, What could have been a simple hose or connector replacement often becomes a water pump inspection, thermostat replacement, coolant flush, towing costs, and hours of labor. Another mistake many B58 owners make is assuming every coolant issue automatically means the electric water pump has failed. While the water pump can absolutely develop problems as mileage increases, it's far from the only suspect. Mechanics often begin by pressure testing the cooling system while the engine is cold, because small leaks become much easier to locate before coolant starts evaporating. Dye tests are sometimes used to trace coolant escaping from hidden locations, and in many cases, the culprit turns out to be something surprisingly inexpensive. That's why replacing parts randomly almost always costs more than paying for a proper diagnosis first. A $200 connector shouldn't become a $2,000 guessing game. Preventing these issues isn't complicated, but it does require paying attention. Open the hood once in a while. Look around the expansion tank. Inspect hose connections for dried white residue. If you smell coolant after driving, don't convince yourself it's nothing. Check the coolant level every few weeks instead of waiting for the dashboard to warn you. Most importantly, never assume that because the B58 has such an incredible reputation, every part attached to it will last forever. Reliability doesn't mean perfection. It means the engine gives you the opportunity to catch small problems before they become major ones. If you're buying a used B58-powered BMW, spend less time worrying about whether the previous owner launched the car at every traffic light and more time looking through maintenance records. Ask if the cooling system has ever been pressure tested. Ask whether any hoses, connectors, expansion tanks, or the water pump have been replaced. Those answers tell you far more about future ownership than a polished paint job or aftermarket wheels ever will. A well-maintained B58 with 80,000 miles is often a safer purchase than a neglected one with half that mileage. The B58 deserves every bit of praise it receives because it truly is one of BMW's greatest modern engines. But even great engines rely on ordinary components that eventually wear out. The coolant leak most owners ignore isn't dangerous because it's dramatic. It's dangerous because it's subtle. It hides behind a perfectly running engine, a normal temperature gauge, and the confidence owners have in BMW's engineering. By the time many people realize something is wrong, the repair has already become far more expensive than it ever needed to be. So the next time you smell coolant, notice the level dropping or see even the smallest trace of dried residue under the hood. Don't ignore it. That tiny leak may be giving you the earliest and cheapest warning your BMW will ever provide.